Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove or replace the headlights from any Audi A4 B8 out there. So in the last episode I showed you all how to remove the front bumper from this kind of vehicle, and in today's episode I'm going to show you all how to remove the headlights from this kind of vehicle. It is a very easy and simple job to do. The headlight is secured with only 3 bolts to the vehicle. The first bolt is right here in the corner, in the left side. After that, the second one is right here in the middle at the top. And then the third one is right here in the back of the headlight, and you have to put the tool to remove it right here in this little hole between the fender, and you have to put the tool and push it down until it will reach the bolt, and then you have to undo the bolt. You'll have to use a Torx 30 to remove all the bolts which are securing the headlight attached to the vehicle. After that, you have to pull it forward just a little bit. You'll have to disconnect the power supply from the back of it, and then the headlight can be removed completely out from the vehicle. From here, just sit back, relax, and watch exactly what I'm doing, because it's a very simple and fast job. Just watch what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and in this way you will also be able to do it yourself on your car and at home with normal tools. So in my case, on most of the vehicles which I'm working on, I always like to remove the front bumper first and then remove the headlights, because on most of the vehicles the headlight will not come out unless you remove the front bumper first and then the headlight. But from what I can see on this kind of vehicle, the headlight has a different shape at the bottom, and probably you can remove the headlight without having the need to remove the front bumper. In my case, I already removed the front bumper, but in your case, you can try first to remove the headlight without having the need to remove the front bumper, and if it's not coming out, you can remove the front bumper afterwards. In my case, as you can see, the bumper is removed, the headlight is also removed almost completely. I only have to remove the power supply from the back of it, and then you'll have to pull it forward like I'm doing right here. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the headlight is completely removed and pulled out from the vehicle. Right here it is the power supply from the back of it, and you'll have to push this little plastic clip which is securing it mounted in place. You'll have to push it down, and eventually it will be released from the headlight and you can pull it out completely. This is how everything is looking so far. This is where all the bolts are going. This is where the headlight is sitting into the fender and into the front part of the vehicle. So with all of this is being said, those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely remove the headlights from any Audi A4 B8 out there. Doesn't matter which year it is. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.